Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's technically the day after, but Tiffany and her family are here in town spending the next few days with us. We're gonna do a lot of fun things. We're gonna do a water park, we're gonna do the springs, doing the beach, obviously. So stay tuned. Good magical morning, everybody. Day 2 of 3 days of water madness in Central Florida, July 4th weekend. I have the whole family. Tiffany, Scott, you've met them before in St. Augustine. We're having a blast. Let's go ride some rides. See you later. Ah! Always end up backwards. What'd you think, Gray? Was it fun?
We're going.
Yeah, we're still going.
Was it fun? Yeah, but we're still going there.
Yes. There they are getting the iconic Mickey float picture.
Run in slow motion, Scott.
You gonna kick and swim?
He said he's kicking in slow motion.
Kicking in slow motion, huh?
He just pushed my water.
Oh man.
Oh, that's that. He caught it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna catch me? You gonna catch me? Weed.
Yeah. You wanna float, bud?
Did I just get this for no reason? When are you gonna float? No? Oh, you can touch, can't you?
Yes.
I forget, this is the shallow river.
Dad, what are you doing?
What's Dad doing?
He's stepping on that. I'm a monster too.
Runoff Rapids. Our favorite ride, yet the most hated because of the trek up the stairs. It's worth it though. Whee! Woo! Oh well! Woo! Runoff Rapids, I love this one! Oh no, don't turn sideways. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no, big rapids. Oh goodness. Okay, Susan's best of Disney's Blizzard Beach. Take 57.
The best of Blizzard Beach. Number 1, Runoff Rapids. Number 2, Steamboat Springs. Number 3, Downhill Double Dipper. Number 4, Toboggan Racers. Number 5, Snowstormers. Number 6, the Chairlift. That's my take. In addition to that, you may want to bring your own food. Not just because the food here we found hasn't been the best of any theme park food, but because you will save a ton of money on food and drinks.
What is the best treat at Disney's Blizzard Beach?
Ice cream. Doesn't matter what kind. Get yourself some ice cream.
So now that we've heard Susan's best of, what do you think Andrew's best of is? Slides, lazy river, treats, or wave pool? Comment down below. The most of you that answer correctly will be correct. Spoiler alert, the answer is slides.